Hello everyone. Question is a company collects data for temperature, humidity and atmospheric pressure in cities across multiple continents. The average volume of data that the company collects from each site daily is 500 GB. Each site has a high-speed internet connection. The company wants to aggregate the data from all these global sites as quickly as possible in a single Amazon S3 bucket. The solution must minimize operational complexity. Which solution meets these requirements? Option A, turn on S3 transfer acceleration on the destination S3 bucket. Use multi-part uploads to directly upload site data to the destination S3 bucket. Option B, upload the data from each site to an S3 bucket in the closest region. Use S3 cross-region replication to copy objects to the destination S3 bucket. Then remove the data from the origin S3 bucket. Option C, schedule AWS Snowball Edge storage optimized device jobs daily to transfer data from each site to the closest region. Use S3 cross-region replication to copy objects to the destination S3 bucket. Option D, upload the data from each site to an Amazon EC2 instance in the closest region. Store the data in an Amazon Elastic Book Store Amazon EBS volume. At regular intervals, take an EBS snapshot and copy it to the region that contains the destination S3 bucket. Restore the EBS volume in that region. Correct answer is option A. You can download the complete list of recently updated contents from the link provided in the description. If you like this content, please like and subscribe. Question is, a company needs the ability to analyze the log files of its proprietary application. The logs are stored in JSON format in an Amazon S3 bucket. Queries will be simple and will run on demand. A solutions architect needs to perform the analysis with minimal changes to the existing architecture. What should the solutions architect do to meet these requirements with least amount of operational overhead? Option A, use Amazon Redshift to load all the content into one place and run the SQL queries as needed. Option B, use Amazon CloudWatch logs to store the logs. Run SQL queries as needed from the Amazon CloudWatch console. Option C, use Amazon Athena directly with Amazon S3 to run the queries as needed. Option D, use AWS Glue to catalog the logs. Use a transient Apache Spark cluster on Amazon EMR to run the SQL queries as needed. Correct answer is option C. Question is, a company uses AWS organizations to manage multiple AWS accounts for different departments. The management account has an Amazon S3 bucket that contains project reports. The company wants to limit access to this S3 bucket to only users of accounts within the organization in AWS organizations. Which solution meets these requirements with the least amount of operational overhead? Option A, add the AWS principal org ID global condition key with a reference to the organization ID to the S3 bucket policy. Option B, create an organizational unit OU for each department. Add the AWS principal org paths global condition key to the S3 bucket policy. Option C, use AWS CloudTrail to monitor the create account, invite account to organization, leave organization, and remove account from organization events. Update the S3 bucket policy accordingly. Option D, tag each user that needs access to the S3 bucket. Add the AWS principal tag global condition key to the S3 bucket policy. Correct answer is option A. You can download the complete list of recently updated contents from the link provided in the description. If you like this content, please like and subscribe.